In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication for PayPal. Two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA, is an essential security feature that greatly enhances the safety of your online accounts. With 2FA, you're required to provide two different authentication factors to access your account, adding an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. Let's walk through the steps of setting this up for your PayPal account. First, you need to start by visiting the PayPal summary page. Open your browser and type in the PayPal URL, or simply click the link provided if you're following along with our description. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. It's crucial to ensure you are accessing the official PayPal website to avoid phishing attempts. Now that you're on the PayPal summary page, the next step is to navigate to the security section. Once logged in, look for the profile or settings option, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to a series of options related to your account. Here you want to select Security, where you can manage various security preferences for your account. Upon clicking Security, you'll see a section dedicated to two-step verification. This is where you control your account's two-factor authentication settings. You might see options to either activate or update the two-step verification settings, indicating whether it has been previously set up or not. Click on this option to proceed. Next, you're going to select Use an Authenticator app. This is generally considered one of the more secure options for 2FA, as it involves using an app to generate a time-sensitive code. You can use popular authenticator apps such as Google Authenticator or Authy, both of which are available on Android and iOS. With your Authenticator app ready, you will be prompted to scan a QR code provided by PayPal. This QR code links your PayPal account to the Authenticator app, so make sure to have your smartphone handy to complete this step. Once you've scanned the code, the app will begin generating a 6-digit verification code every 30 seconds. Finally, take one of the 6-digit codes currently displayed in your Authenticator app and enter it into the field on your PayPal account page. It's important to do this promptly as these codes refresh periodically. Once you've entered the verification code, confirm the setup, and you're done. Your PayPal account is now protected by two-factor authentication, providing you with added peace of mind. By following these steps, you've successfully added a robust security layer to your PayPal account. Remember to always keep your Authenticator app accessible and up to date to ensure it functions correctly when needed. Thank you for watching and stay secure online.